Welcome to our art blog. Learn how to draw and paint a bird with AMAZROck Professional Watercolor Pencils. This art demonstration is brought to you by courtesy of our artist community. Are you ready? Let's get started. As you can see, please have the outline sketch of the bird done first with 2B pencils. Next, we come to the more interesting part, adding some colors. We will start with some yellow shades. Choose color Bumblebee, which is pencil number 14. And work on shading to the neck and the underbelly. We also want to give some colors near the beak to define the fine feathers. Continue to add depth to the bird feathers, using color Canary, which is pencil 15. Next, we want to create some color contrast by adding some orange and red shades. Use color Pumpkin Pencil 20 and color Flame Red Pencil 24 to further contrast the appearance. Next, we are going to give our bird its distinct colorful features. Here comes the green and blue magic. Use color Seafoam, which is pencil number 61. And also pencil number 74, color Periwinkle, to add details near the eye and the beak. The beauty of these AMAZROck watercolor pencils is their versatility to use them dry as regular colored pencils. You can shade or blend the colors easily. Make sure you follow the example and use the dry technique to further give definition to the crown, the eye, and the beak. Do you like what you see? The color vibrancy and the bird is coming alive. Here comes the more important part, the soul of the drawing. The bird eyes. We are going to give the full-bodied color to the eye with pencil 20, which is color Pumpkin. This will give the eye an orange tint. Next, use pencil number 120, color Black, to fully form the pupil. Make sure you leave a white spot in the pupil to give it the eye sparkle. Here comes the fun part. Watercoloring. Use a wet brush and go over the colors to create the watercolor effects. You will see it is really easy to do the wet on dry. The color pigments are really water soluble and the colors blend effortlessly. Go over the areas as per your artistic preference. Now, we will work on the wings using wet technique. Use a wet paintbrush and wet the paper on the area of the wings. Next, use Bumblebee Color Pencil number 14. These professional AMAZROCK watercolor pencils are rich in pigments, so it will be easy to get the color onto the brush with a few strokes on the pencil tip. Now, proceed to apply the yellow shades to the wings. Continue to add some greens using pencil number 44, color avocado. We will also be using pencil number 52 and 71, which are color ivy and Prussian blue. This will help make the wings stand out with its color contrasts. To get a deeper shade, get more pigments onto the brush. Experiment with different shading to create exciting intensities around the wing and the tail feathers. For painting the bird's tail, we are using numbers 061, 074, 065 pencils. Feel free to experiment using the different colors and shades to create the tone you want for the feathers. Of course, you can follow exactly what we do, so feel free to stop and rewind the video if you need to. Next, work on the leg using pencil number 104, which is color espresso. How is the drawing and painting coming along? Do you see any need to add more details or definitions using black or brown color? If yes, feel free to do it by adding the colors with the paintbrush. You may also choose to let your artwork dry first if you would like to draw the details with the pencils. Add strokes for details on the wings and give a darker shade to the belly outline for better 3D contrast. We are almost there. Let's finish the feet. What's left are the branches. We are going to need some nice brown color. Use pencil number 85 color ginger brown. Use the paintbrush to pick up the ginger brown colors from the pencil tip. Apply a few strokes to give body to the branch. Use a deeper brown color. Color 104 Espresso will add a nice touch to give the branch additional depth of field. Make sure the branch gets an appropriate texture here. Next, wet the surface on the empty space beside the bird. We are going to add some background colors now. Use pencil number 37, 65, 14 and 74. Feel free to let your creativity flow here. Go ahead and have some fun. You can also try to flick the color pigments from the paintbrush for stardust effect. Try these for the leaves as well. We are almost there. The colors used for the leaves are pencils number 015, 044, and 046. And now for the finishing touches, use pencil 104, color Espresso, to draw the twigs dry. There we have it. The final drawing painting.